One who asks questions dominates the discussion. Ask right questions and to make him speak. If you want other person to buy your idea, if you want your sales figure to be doubled, this video is for you. Hello friends, welcome to the Sales Mastery videos. I am Sales Master Jagdish Kumawat. When we talk about a sales or a deal, we understand that two parties have to equate. And in order to reach that understanding of equality, there has to be communication, sharing and connect. We also understand that in order to connect, we have to listen the person. And the prospect, your customer, the person has to speak. Now the next challenge is how to make him speak. Also, you would agree with me that we do not involve in a discussion until unless we see a worthy what's in it for me. Right, I am coming to that point. Telling is not selling. To diagnose before prescribing, to connect before telling, to know him exactly what he wants and to make him speak, to make him feel the idea is his idea and you genuinely helping him. Ask questions. Ask right questions. Yes. When you ask questions, in order to answering that, the customer share his all whereabouts. In the process, you also understand his ambitions, hope, objective, and so much. And please understand, everybody loves to buy, but nobody wants to be sold. Once you understand everything about customer or prospects, is far easy to helping buying rather than selling. Now let me quickly demonstrate how to ask questions, how to initiate a worthy discussion. Once you meet a person, after greetings, ask him a questions. And let's have an example. Your customer is owner of big company. He's having 100 employees to work for him. Start in this way. So, I have heard about you. In just age of 40, you own 3 companies and you are one of the most respected business tycoon in the city. Tell me, how did you do that, sir? How it happened? And here you go. When he starts sharing, encourage him to speak more and more and more. Ask more. And believe me, everybody loves to speak about his or her success. And in process, you know everything about him. Keep asking, keep understanding, and once you know the gap, you can give him exact solution with your product. Your sale is done. And remember, the one who asks questions dominates the discussion. So keep asking, keep selling. Thank you so much.